2017. I'm in school right now, so it's hard. I know that's everybody's excuse, but it's seriously, like, it's very serious and stuff. So I just wanted to state that. Today I'll be doing a review on this hair. I'm gonna also show you in this video how I like sprayed it to make it look like a water wave effect. The hair that I have in my head is from this is a Sensational wig. It's Sensational, the instant boutique bundles, and it's in the deep, and it's in 1B. It says it's heat save, so it's like from 350 to 400 degrees. It's premium fiber, like, so I think this is like the good synthetic hair, like the premium fiber synthetic hair. I absolutely love like the texture of this hair. Like, look at this. Wow, it's super pretty. Just have it kind of like a side part kind of. This hair reminds me of some deep hair, like deep wave hair, like some natural Brazilian deep wave hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, I always like the deep wave look. It looks super pretty to me, so I was so interested in this hair. And like, I saw a lot of reviews on this hair, but none that caught my attention. So I think they also have this hair in a lace front too, but they have this one. I got the half wig. I actually wet this hair the first day I got it, and the first day I installed it in my head, and it's reverted back to its texture. It's super soft. Of course you can't run your fingers through this hair because it is like a curly half wig, but in general it's really soft. I got 3 wigs, so this one was one of the cheapest. I want to say this hair was, you know, I might put the actual price right here, but it was, I want to say it was like less than $20. I want to show you guys how this hair looks wet. It's like I just put water in a spray bottle. I get this from Target, super cheap. So what I'm just gonna do is kind of like in each section, I'm gonna like just spray it. So you have to have a towel handy, but I don't really care if I get wet a little bit. And I'm gonna keep going all over the hair. This is definitely some summer hair, like definitely wet or not, you don't have to wet it. I wet it just as like a suggestion of a way to wear it. So that was my review on this hair, guys. So if you have any comments or questions, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm actually gonna be back. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.